Hi folks, just a quick one to let you know that my new book, Watercolour Painting Made Simple Volume 2, the second one in the series, is now available on Amazon in softback and hardback. It's a simple step-by-step guide, lots of photographs guiding you through each painting, stage by stage. Try to keep it as simple as I possibly could. So for instance, this first chapter, got a big double page spread of the painting so you can see it in close detail. Then got the photograph there so you can compare and contrast, see how I've interpreted, and then we go through it just stage by stage. Simple instruction, photographic guide through the whole painting process from start to finish until we get right to the very end of the painting. In its mount. So there's a few paintings in there for you to have a go at. So you can just follow the link to my author page on Amazon, or just search Amazon for Stephen Cronin, you'll see them. So that's the printed copy. Kindle version's coming very soon. So as always, keep practicing and happy painting.